In this video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove pop-ups and fake human verification alerts related to the site Newcaptchahere.top. Newcaptchahere.top is a malicious site. It may attack Google Chrome and many other browsers, and it tries to make users click on this allow button, supposedly to help users prove that they are humans and not robots. However, if the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser is hijacked and infected with multiple advertisements that will be attacking the screen in the form of repeated web push notifications. If you've mistakenly clicked on Allow, fix your browser by accessing the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, we recommend you to investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place where you can get it is on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.